How to download Microsoft Office for Windows. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to easily download the Office 365 package on your Windows. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing that you need to do here is go ahead and open up your web browser. And once you get to your web browser, just search for Office download and hit enter. And the first option you will see is your Microsoft Store or the Microsoft's official website. You can go ahead and open it, sign into your account and download it from here. But if you don't want to do it this way, then what you can do is open up your Microsoft Store, search for your store here and open it up. Once your store is open, just go ahead and search for Office 365 on the search bar at the very top. And once you search for this app, you will find the Get button here. I already have this app on my device, so I don't need to download it again, but I have this update button. But if you haven't downloaded it, you can get it from the Microsoft Store. So that is how you easily get Microsoft 365 on your Windows device. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.